स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज हम ज्योग्राफी का थर्ड चैप्टर करने जा रहे हैं 8th क्लास का। ठीक है, पहले इसके छोटे क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, फिर उसके बाद बड़े देखेंगे। तो फर्स्ट वन है, व्हाट इज रॉक? अ रॉक इज एन एग्रीगेट ऑफ वन और मोर मिनरल्स बट विदाउट डेफिनेट कंपोजिशन ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट ऑफ मिनरल्स। सेकेंड वन है, व्हाट इज मिनरल? अ नेचुरल ऑकरिंग सब्सटेंस दैट हैज डेफिनेट केमिकल कंपोजिशन इज कॉल्ड अ मिनरल। थर्ड वन है, ऑन विच प्रॉपर्टी वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई द मिनरल्स? Minerals can be identified on the basis of their physical properties such as color, density, hardness, and chemical properties such as solubility. Next है, what is an ore? A rock from which mineral is mined. Next one हमारा, which country has no known minerals deposit in it? Switzerland. Which is leading producer of iron ore in the world? Europe. Where do we find oldest rocks in the world? The oldest rocks in the world are in Western Australia. Which is largest producers of bauxite in the world? Australia. Why Kolar mines are famous? Kolar gold mines are located in Karnataka, India. These mines are among the deepest in the world. Name 3 large producers of iron ore in the world: Russia, USA, and Brazil. Which is the highest quality of coal? Anthracite. Which energy is called geothermal energy? Heat energy obtained from earth is called geothermal energy. Mention the 2 groups into which the minerals are classified: metallic and non-metallic minerals. Give 2 examples of metallic minerals: iron, copper. Which is the most widely used metal? Iron. Name any 3 common minerals used by you every day. 3 common minerals used by us every day are iron ore for making steel, sand for constructing buildings, copper wires. What is an ore? Where are the ores of metallic minerals generally located? Rocks from which minerals are mined are known as ore. An ore is the natural accumulations of metals or minerals is a concentrated forms. It has many impurities. Generally, ores of the metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks formation that form large plateau. Name 2 regions rich in natural gas resources in world. Russia and UK are the major producers of natural gas. In India, Jaisalmer, Krishna, Godavari Delta have natural gas resources. Next देखिए, which resource of energy would you suggest for? Which source of energy would you suggest for? First one है rural areas, coastal areas, arid areas. I would suggest energy source for rural areas biogas. For coastal areas, hydel power, wind power and tidal energy. For arid areas, solar energy. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखिए, give 5 ways in which you can save energy at home. 5 ways in which I can save energy at home are as follows. First one है, switching off the appliance when not in use, keeping the lights just free. The appropriate maintenance and usage of appliance as per the given instructions. Maximizing the use of natural breeze and light by keeping the window open. Using CFL tube lights. Prepare food on gas cooker. Next one है हमारा, टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. Which one of the following is not a characteristics of minerals? First one है, they are created by natural process. They have a definite chemical composition. They are inexhaustible और their distribution is uneven. देखिए इसमें क्या आएगा, टिक द करेक्ट करना है तो इसमें सी आएगा. देखेंगे विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ माइका. इसमें क्या आएगा, देखिए सेकंड में बी आएगा, राजस्थान. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ कॉपर इन द वर्ल्ड. इसमें क्या आएगा, थर्ड में ये सी आएगा, घाना. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रैक्टिस विल नॉट कंजर्व एलपीजी इन योर किचन. इसमें आएगा डी, कुकिंग फूड इन एन ओपन पैन केप्ट ऑन लो फ्लेम. गिव रीजंस देख लेते हैं हम, थोड़ा सा कारण बताओ देखते हैं अभी. गिव रीजंस, ठीक है. Environmental aspects must be carefully looked into before building huge dams. Dams are built for cutting canals and generating water power, but sometimes huge dams produce environmental problems. Like many large dams produce environmental impacts upstreams, downstreams, and in the vicinity of the reservoirs, and hence controversies surrounded such development. So all these should be carefully looked. Next one हमारा, most industries are concentrated around coal mines. Most industries are concentrated around coal mines because coal is an important source of energy. It is a key minerals and fuel for the industries. It is used as a power resource in many industries. Many industries use it as raw materials, so most industries are connected around coal mines. Next one है हमारा petroleum is referred to as black gold. Important question है. Nowadays, petroleum is a major source of energy in the world. Many byproducts such as kerosene, fuel, lubricating oils, etc. are obtained from it. Petrochemical products have become very useful. Petroleum is used in agro industry, paints, perfumes, transport, etc. So it is rightly called the black gold. Quarrying can become a major environmental concern. Quarrying can become a major environmental concern because this process is used to dig out those minerals that lie near the surface. It causes land degradations and soil erosions all over the world. Distinction between following. Difference बताना इसमें देखिए. कन्वेंशनल एंड नॉन कन्वेंशनल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. कन्वेंशनल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी में देखिए, कन्वेंशनल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी का डिफरेंस देखिए और नॉन कन्वेंशनल का, कि फर्स्ट वन दे आर दो सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी विच हैव बीन इन कॉमन यूज फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. फायरवुड, कोल. These are comparatively new source of energy, solar energy and wind energy. They pollute the environment. They are non-pollutant. They are exhaustible, called petroleum. They are inexhaustible. They are non-renewable. They are renewable. These are expensive. These are inexpensive. Move to the next. बायोगैस एंड नेचुरल गैस में डिफरेंस देखेंगे. बायोगैस और नेचुरल गैस में, इट इज नॉन कन्वेंशनल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, इट इज कन्वेंशनल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. इट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड थ्रू ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट. इट इज फाउंड विद पेट्रोलियम डिपॉजिट्स. इट इज एक्सेलेंट फ्यूल्स फॉर डोमेस्टिक यूज. इट कैन बी यूज्ड एज डोमेस्टिक एंड इंडस्ट्रियल फ्यूल्स. इट इज इनएग्जॉस्टिबल. इट इज एग्जॉस्टिबल. ठीक है. फेरस एंड नॉन फेरस मिनरल्स में, फेरस मिनरल्स क्या होते हैं? दीज मिनरल्स कंटेन आयरन इन देम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आयरन और मैग्नीज एंड क्रोमाइट. नेक्स्ट वन हमारा नॉन फेरस मिनरल्स. दीज मिनरल्स डू नॉट कंटेन आयरन बट मे कंटेन सम अदर मेटल्स, गोल्ड, सिल्वर. ठीक है. मेटालिक और नॉन मेटालिक मिनरल्स में देखिए, लास्ट है हमारा ये मेटालिक मिनरल्स एंड नॉन मेटालिक मिनरल्स. द मिनरल्स कंटेन मेटल इन रॉ फॉर्म आर नोन एज मेटालिक मिनरल्स. Metallic minerals. The minerals which do not contain metals are known as non-metallic minerals. Metals are solid. These can be solid, liquid and gases. Metallic minerals have characteristics, lusters or shine. Non-metallic minerals are generally dull. Metallic minerals are good conductors of heat and electricity. They are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Metals are malleable. They can be beaten into sheets. They are brittle in nature and cannot be beaten into sheets. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखिए इसमें बॉक्साइट, आयरन और मैग्नीज, लाइमस्टोन, माइका, जिप्सम, सैंड एंड डायमंड. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.